I had been receiving some pictures from my friend Chuck on a radio that he's working on. Here he's replacing the veneer on this cabinet. And also he's been repairing the knobs, making a mold and refashioning the part of the knob that's broken. He even cleaned and strengthened the grill cloth for this radio. And here we are at this point. He's got everything together, and he asked me to stop by and for the first power up, and let's see what happens.
Okay, we're not on somewhere.
Wide open someplace?
Yeah. Let's try that one. Nothing.
Still no current.
Let's try that one down. Power on. There we go.
Now, I would expect that this thing would draw at least double what you would, a regular one anyway.
Something's warming up.
Yeah, not a lot there for a little bit.
You see the glow?
Yeah.
Okay. We're getting warm.
See if I can go around the back here.
I'm at,
Yeah, I can see.
I'm getting, I'm at 100 volts. Oh, gotta bring it down a little.
Yeah, I'd wait on that a little bit.
I'm right at test, which is 100 volt.
Turn it off.
Got something smoking?
Well, I think it's going to show you which tube.
Huh?
This tube right here,
Uh-huh.
that was glowing bright red. The plate.
Oh.
Having the 80s rectifier tube plate start glowing red is pretty troublesome. This time we're testing it with only the speaker plugged into the power supply.
You ready? Here we go.
Alrighty. Okay. Don't see any filament yet. Whoop! Well,
Oh, what was that?
that didn't sound good. We couldn't find the exact diagram for this radio, but the 15 Scott here, 15 tube Scott, power supply is practically identical, and we can use that to help us with this 12 tube radio. The differences are the tube types. Ours is using an 80 rectifier and 245 tubes as audio outputs. Using those wiring diagrams and an ohm meter, I found out that the audio transformer is shorted to ground. No matter what lead we check, it eventually ends up at ground, which is why the rectifier tube, without the 45s in there, was glowing red. And this is the old transformer, audio transformer. And I looked around and at my place and found this universal. Now I know the size is quite different, but it ohms out correctly, and also the newer transformers are much more efficient. We went ahead and put this in, and we're going to try it again.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
That is just.
Can you get
You ever had a check
There
out?
we
Yo,
go.
he killed somebody.
Ooh, it sounds
He
good.
was married with kids.
That sounds
And I understand you
awesome.
have political differences when it comes to healthcare, but I promise
Holy smokes.
morals and murder coexist.
Obviously got
Self-defense, yeah.
loose connections, but
Morals and murder don't really
Oh,
get
it's a
together
volume.
very
yeah.
often.
Restart.
You're actually just killing
Shot of
somebody in cold
WD-40
blood that
take
you have
care
no
of that.
relation to. And
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
It'll
right.
swell it back up.
Well, I've never had the bottom of this
And yeah,
apart.
it does gravitate towards a lot of losers. Care didn't get any better. They didn't pass any new legislation.
Amazing.
They're not changing the process
Amazing.
of anything. There's just 38,000 loser chicks in a Reddit thread
That is incredible.
that believe they stand for.
That's amazing. Well, that's about it for that end.
Is
Heritage for the Blind, where
Yeah,
every
that's
car
good.
donation counts and every person makes a difference. Call 1-800-724-6115 now. This advertisement.
Okay.
Wow, is that pickup nice? Well, that's Spanish.
Yeah. I don't care. As long as it's not music.
Oh my goodness. This is just awesome.
But someday I'll come back.
Get back here a little bit more. Get a tighter view of this. Fantastic. This is an absolutely beautiful set, and I'm glad we got it working. Chuck's got a little bit more work to do on it, but it's going to be a fantastic radio to have. Thanks for watching.